Hi everyone, welcome to Gwinnett Technology again. Right, so one of the important topic we are going to discuss now that we have to understand what is a Zscaler admin rank. So this is a very small topic, but people having the always confusion. So I just want to clarify it. So you might be have seen while doing the Zscaler configuration about the admin rank, right? So why basically we use this admin rank? This is the first thing we just have to understand it. So if I want to use this admin rank, there is a various way to understand. The first way is I want to define some role based access, or I want to define the role based restrictions. So basically you can think about the role based administration, role based access. So I can write here role based access, or I can write it here role based administration. So these are the two things. So we just have to understand how admin rank is going to become in a picture. So you might be saying in the Zscaler portal, there is an option to configure the admin rank, and that admin rank start from 0 to 7. So you can write 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The other admin rank, right? So why this rank is come in a picture? So once you define the admin rank 0, this is the higher privilege access, means highest rank, means no above than the 0, right? So high rank. And 7, that means that is the low rank. So you can just think about this is the highest. Let me write in this way. This is my HIGST highest rank, and this could be your high. You can segregate in this way. This could be your medium, or you can just segregate whatever you want. But you understand the concept. The 0 is always highest, and 7 is the lowest. So how this is going to make any difference while doing any policy configuration, any other configuration you want to deploy in the Zscaler, right? So very simple philosophy, very simple example I'm going to give here. Okay, very simple. You will understand very quickly what is the admin rank. So in this philosophy, in this understanding, right? Let's suppose I'm using the zero trust exchange, and this zero trust exchange you are define some kind of the restrictions. So if you want to define any kind of restriction and with the help of the admin rank, so admin rank is basically going to create the hierarchy among the admins. Means I have the admins, might be the Sam is one admin. We having the another Amit is another admin, right? We having the some kind of the XYZ is another admin. So these are the three admins. But still I want to define some kind of the distributions. Like my in company, I have the L1 engineer, I have the L2 engineer, I have the L3 engineer, I have the L4 engineers. These all are the engineers, but how I can give the roles? In the Palo Alto Firewall, we having the role-based access. Similarly here, so you want to hierarchy, like you want to create the hierarchy among the admins to ensure that policy and settings configured by admin with the higher rank cannot be overridden by the admin which having the lower rank. Let's suppose I'm the L4 engineer, and I said if any user in belong to L4 department, they all have the access of the facebook.com. So this I have defined, right? And my rank is the 0 or might be the 1. Okay. Now you are the L3 engineer, and someone asks you, hey, can you block all the employee Facebook access? You have to block this access. So basically, one rule is created by the L4 engineer, and in this rule, you are saying that this particular L4 people, this L4 people having the multiple names, could be XYZ, right? Could be ABC, right? Could be 1, 2, 3. could be other name also. So these are the people who having the 5 people, they having the Facebook access, but you are the L3 and you have to block all 1,000 employee access, which your company employee, right? So when you go in the GIA admin portal, when you go GI admin portal and you want to create this admin role, means you want to block this Facebook access, you cannot block these 4 people because it is created by the higher rank than you. So you cannot override this. You cannot. You can do other people access. You can block that, but you cannot block this Facebook for this particular users. So this is admin rank. Means if someone is created by the higher rank policy, that you cannot bypass. Likewise, you are the engineer, right? In top of that, you having the team lead. In top of that, you having the manager. In top of that, you having the director or senior manager, right? So if you want to have any problem, you can first talk to your team lead. Team lead going to talk to the manager. This is the best practice. Manager is going to talk to senior manager. You cannot bypass and reach to the senior manager. If any rule is going to be, any process is going to be created by the senior manager, everyone have to follow. Nobody can bypass it. Similarly, in the help of the admin rank, let's say suppose your company, like the security officer, chief officer security, CTO kind of the officer, chief technology officer, say my company pornography website, in from my company all pornography websites should be blocked. So he having the admin rank 0, he having the admin rank 0, and he created one of the rule where he's saying all the pornography, right, sites should be blocked. So once he created this rule with the admin rank 0, nobody from your organization can bypass this, CTO rule. Means it is going to always be there, it is going to be always be there, and you never ever going to bypass. So this is the admin rule, right? So that means, let's say the example, like the CTO who has the highest rank set up one of the rule for the organization blocking the access for the pornography. No lower rank admin can create the pornography rule and who can allow the access, because it's always going to block, because it is always set by the your higher rank. So if you want to allow, that means your CTO is going to allow you, and this rank is from the 0 to 7. So I hope you guys get this. So by default, you have to enable this admin rank feature. It is disabled. So when you want to enable this ranks, you just have to go to the GIA admin portal. After going in the GIA admin portal, you have to go in the administration and the advanced settings. There is a advanced setting. I'll show you later stage. So there is a GIA portal. You just have to go in the administration and the advanced setting, and then you can just enable this setting. And what else you can do it with the help of the just role-based access. So role-based policy you can define, role-based with the help of the admin rank. Role-based policy you can define. Likewise, you want to do some kind of the sandboxing. Let's suppose I want to do some kind of the role-based feature, role-based policy. So how it is going to happen? Let me just put it here. So let's suppose I'm put it here. So role-based policy I want to define with the help of the GIA admin portal, right? With the help of the admin ranks. So sandbox in advanced setting you want to define, URL and cloud control you want to do, any file blocking you want to do that, any bandwidth control you want to do that, any data loss prevention you want to do that, any mobile app control you want to do this. These all DNS controls. So once this policy is going to be created with a higher rank for the specific region, any PDF file you want to block with a higher rank, so nobody can override you, nobody can going to bypass that, right? So when creating the rules for any of the above policies, right, admin must assign the rule as the admin rank, and that's the lower than their own rank. The rule admin rank is done automatically determine the rule order, okay? So that rules with the higher admin rank are always given the precedent in the lower order rules. So this is how it is going to happen. So if you can just think about the ACLs, where we get the ACLs, access control list. So ACL is like there is no admin rank concept, but it is going to validate top to bottom. Means top to bottom is going to. So the first policy it's going to match, then it is going to always process by this. If it is not going to match, then it is going to look the second. If it is going to match, then it's process not, then it is going to third. Then it is going to match, then process not, then it is going to fourth. So it's going keep going, and in the last, what is going to happen? it is going to happen like implicit deny. So if anything is not matching, then it's based on their, it's going to be denied. So this is top to bottom. Similarly, admin rank. So if someone is created on top of you as a higher admin rank, that always going to prefer. If lower rank is trying to override, that is not going to be happen. So I hope you guys understand this admin rank concept. Okay, and right, that's all for that for this admin rank. Thank you so much, guys.